In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Internetwork Credentials error in Windows 11. Fixed today. Here, let's begin. First, we're going to turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. Click the search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Now click Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under Private Network, make sure both Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing are turned on. After enabling both options, click Save Changes. These settings allow your computer to properly detect and communicate with other devices on your network. Next, let's disable password protected sharing. While still inside the Advanced Sharing Settings window, scroll down until you find All Networks. Look for Password Protected Sharing, select Turn Off Password Protected Sharing, then click Save Changes again. This can help prevent Windows from repeatedly asking for network credentials whenever you try to access shared folders, shared drives, or other network devices. Now let's add the correct network credentials manually. Open Credential Manager on your computer. Inside Credential Manager, click Add a Windows Credential. You now need to enter the correct information for the computer or device you are trying to access. For the network address, type the address of the computer or shared device, then enter the username of the account on that target computer. After that, type the password for that account. Once everything is entered correctly, click OK. Make sure the username and password exactly match the account on the computer you are trying to access. Otherwise, the error may continue showing up. Now, let's reset your network settings. Open the search bar again and open Settings. On the left side, click Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Now, click Reset now. Windows will ask you to confirm the reset, so click Yes. This process will remove and reinstall your network adapters and reset networking components back to their default settings. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network if needed. Then try accessing the shared folder, shared drive, or network device again. These steps fix most Enter Network Credentials errors in Windows 10 and Windows 11 by correcting sharing settings, refreshing security policies, clearing bad credentials, and resetting network components. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.